Hello and welcome to That's Food and Barbecue. Today it's Midsummer's Eve in Sweden, and normally you have a buffet for lunch, and I'm just going to show you one recipe that I really like. It's called Gubbröra, or old man's mix, something like that, and I'm going to prepare it in the kitchen, so tag along and I'll show you how to make it. I'm just going to make some room for this, and then we're going to start chopping everything up. I'm going to say a little bit of the dill as a garnish. I'll put that to the side. I'm going to remove the stems from this because you don't really want them in there. Anyway, there we go. We're just going to chop this finally. It's not very hard, is it? Put that in there. Do the same thing with the chives. I'm not making this overly fine because I want some texture in this. There we go. Then this is a small red onion, a really small one, but it's going to be enough. This is going to be chopped finely. I never do a cut like that because it's kind of late anyway. And then we need to peel a couple of eggs. Now there we go. Just gonna cut them in half. They're perfect, slightly mushy yellow. I could use a egg slicer for this, but I don't even want to look for one. I don't even know if we'll have one. Chopping it into little pieces. It doesn't have to be really small pieces. There has to be some structure, like I said. There we go, that's number one. This is getting messy. That's good. There we go. Into the bowl. And then the anchovies. I'm not going to use the liquid from here, so I'm just going to drain that. There we go. No, missed one. Still missed one. There we go. Chopping them finely as well. Something like so, and into the bowl they go. Chopping done. And then we need 1 tablespoon of mayo. You could use sour cream or creme fraiche for this, but I think mayo is fine. A little bit of salt. Mind that the anchovies is salty, so you don't want too much. A little bit of pepper. It's to taste, really. And we're gonna start mixing this together. Just stirring it. Blend it all. And this could be made in advance. And this is what we have. Okay, there we go. So first off, we need a piece of rye bread. This is Danish rye bread with sunflower seeds, and I really like it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go do a cut. Just gonna do this to make it easier to eat because it could get a little bit messy. That should be fine. Maybe one more. All right, keep it together. And then we're gonna place a little bit of the mixture. Or actually, I'm gonna place about half of the mixture on this one. So I'm gonna make 2. Something like so. Oops. Messing up my plate. And then we're going to mold this out over the sandwich so it covers all of the bread. I don't believe this needs any butter because it's mayo in there, but it's entirely up to you if you want that or not. There we go. Classic Gubbröra sandwich. I'm going to take a picture and then I'll give it a taste test. There we go. Happy Midsummer's Eve. Let's try the Gubbröra. You need a little bit of bread as well. That's Midsummer for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.